Today we're going to spend some time going over the process to schedule a Career Center appointment in Handshake. The first step is to select Career Center either in the top right corner or by selecting this tile here. Next, you'll want to select Appointments from the menu. On this page, you'll be able to schedule a new appointment by selecting this blue box at the top. From this page, you should follow the prompts to select a location for your appointment, as well as an appointment type. You'll also be able to select a day that works best, and you can scroll to find a time that fits your schedule. Once you select an appointment slot from the list, you'll be able to choose your appointment medium, as well as telling us a little bit more about why you want to come to the Career Center. The last step in the process is to read through the informed consent form, selecting Yes, I understand for each of the terms. And lastly, signing with your electronic signature and submitting your request. Now that you have successfully requested your appointment, look out for an email from your career counselor or consultant for when they update your appointment status. We look forward to helping you build toward a successful future. Thank you.